6 individuals and 3 companies face charges in multi-million-rand Eskom fraud scheme. In a significant blow against corporate malfeasance in South Africa, the Johannesburg Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Team carried out a well-coordinated operation that resulted in the arraignment of 6 people and 3 companies for their alleged involvement in a fraud case tied to Eskom, the country's electricity public utility. The palm of justice was felt on the morning of October 3, 2024, as the individuals and entities were apprehended following meticulous investigative work. The individuals implicated in this complex case include Mark Douglas Smith, Alexander Elias Raditis, Vanessa Chungu, Raymond Crozier, Guy Philip LaRue, and Ronald James Hoy, whose ages range from 43 to 62. Alongside them, the juristic entities of NJM Treatment, NDE Services Limited, Dasmar Engineering Limited, and Thermojet Pty Limited face legal scrutiny. The charges levied against them are serious and manifold, including fraud, theft, and money laundering. Investigations unearthed a deceitful scheme where directors of NJM Heat Treatment and NDE Services Limited supposedly hoodwinked Eskom SOC through the tendering of fraudulent documents and false claims pertaining to a legitimate shareholders agreement, engaging in fronting, a practice that subverts the aims of the Broad-Based Black Economic Empowerment BBBEE Act. A 2017 incident marked the beginning of their unlawful endeavors, with the directors of the accused companies submitting tampered financial statements to win over a tender fraudulently. This malpractice not only put Eskom at risk, but also touched energy and chemical company Sasol, which ultimately terminated NJM's services due to these underhanded dealings. The fallout from these corrupt activities summed up to a staggering estimated loss of over $400 million. In Johannesburg's heart, at the Central Police Station, a case was initiated in September 2023. The probe culminated in an astounding courtroom scene at the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court, where the suspects, following their arrest, stood for their initial plea. Remarkably, each defendant managed to secure bail set at R20,000, but must face their legal fate on November 29, 2024, when the case resumes for docket disclosure. The national head of the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, Lieutenant General Godfrey Lebeya, hasn't minced his words as he communicated a zero-tolerance stance on corruption. He stresses the importance of altruism and ethical operations in the business realm, reminding the public of severe legal ramifications awaiting those ensnared in corrupt activities and the overall detriment to societal trust and economic fairness such actions trigger. Thank you for choosing Satori News.